Четвертый класс, английский язык, Звездный английский, домашнее задание, урок 20, часть 2, страница 52-53. English Starlight 4, homework lesson number 20, part number 2, page number 52-53. Good morning, boys and girls. We begin our English lesson. My name is Olga, and I'm your English teacher today. And now we must repeat sound exercise. Repeat after me. Nice to meet you. 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 I'm so glad to meet you. Thank you. I'm glad to meet you. Boys and girls, we begin our work. Open your books, please. Page number 52. Word lab. Exercise number 1. Read a number, then find a secret word. Knight, palace, king, queen, hunt, fence. Прочитай и пронумеруй. Затем найди секретное слово. The answer. The secret word is castle. Секретное слово – замок. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 2. Read and answer the questions. Прочитай и ответь на вопросы. Harold. People called me Harefoot because I was a fast runner and a very good hunter. Richard. People called me Lionheart because I was very brave. Edward. I was king for only 2 months. Henry. My 6 wives were Catherine of Aragon, Anne Boleyn, Jane Seymour, Anne of Cleves, Catherine Howard, and Catherine Parr. Elizabeth. I was the daughter of Henry VIII. People called me Good Queen Bess. Number 1. The answer. Почему люди звали Геральда быстроногим? The answer. Number 1. He was a fast runner. Number 2. Why did people call Richard I Lionheart? Почему люди звали Ричарда львиным сердцем? The answer. Number 2. He was very brave. Number 3. How long was Edward V king for? Number 3. Как долго правил Эдвард V? The answer. He was king for only 2 months. Number 4. Who were king? Henry, Wales, wives. Number 4. Кто были жены короля Генри? The answer. They were Catherine of Aragon, Anne Boleyn, Jane Seymour, Anne of Cleves, Catherine Howard, and Catherine Parr. Question number 5. What did people call Elizabeth I? Number 5. The answer. Как люди звали королеву Елизавету I? The answer. Number 5. People called her Good Queen Bess. Question number 6. How long was Victoria Queen for? Number 6. Как долго правила королева Виктория? The answer: she was a queen for 63 years and 7 months. Boys and girls, open your books, please. Page number 53. 53. Exercise number 3. In my dream. Read and match the text to the pictures. В моем сне. Прочитай и соедини тексты с картинками. In my dream I was a knight. I guarded the king and queen. I was very strong. In my dream I was king. I sailed down the river to my palace. In my dream I was a knight. I lived in a big castle and danced with the ladies in the great hall. In my dream I was a queen. I dressed in expensive clothes and lived like a film star. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 4. What did Queen Elizabeth I and Empress Elizabeth I have in common? Read the text and say. Что общего было у Елизаветы I и императрицы Елизаветы I? Прочитай тексты и скажи. I was born in Moscow in 1709 and was the daughter of Peter the Great. I was very beautiful. Many princes from other countries wanted to marry me. I loved dancing and riding. I could speak French, Italian, and German. I became Empress of Russia in 1741. During the ceremony, I placed the crown on my head myself. I died in St. Petersburg on Christmas Day, 1761. I was born in London in 1533 and was the daughter of Henry VIII. My hair was red and my eyes were brown. Many men wanted to marry me, but I did not marry. I loved sport and riding, and I could speak Latin, Greek, Spanish, and French. I loved dancing and watching plays too. I became Queen of England in 1558. My time on the throne was called the Golden Age. I died on 24th March 1603. Both Queen Elizabeth I and Empress Elizabeth I loved dancing. Both Queen Elizabeth I and Empress Elizabeth I were beautiful. Both Queen Elizabeth I and Empress Elizabeth I loved riding. Both queens could speak several foreign languages. Many men wanted to marry them. My dear friends, your work is good. The lesson is over. Goodbye. My dear friends, repeat season of the year. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Лето. Summer. It is summer. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is summer. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Зима. Winter. It is winter. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is winter. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Весна. Spring. It is spring. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is spring. My dear friends, look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Осень. Autumn. It is autumn. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is autumn. The year is divided into 4 seasons: winter, spring, summer, and autumn. Repeat the poem about season of the year. Spring is green. Summer is bright. Autumn is yellow. Winter is white. My dear friends, and now we must repeat months of the year. Repeat after me. December, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November.